Email is a powerful tool for lead generation, bringing high marketing ROI when done right. Yet, the challenge lies in acquiring real, valid email addresses for effective campaigns. Even small mistakes can lead to fake or outdated addresses cluttering your list. Imagine a website form where every email entered gets a thorough sanity check. This is where email validation forms come into play, ensuring quality data collection. So, what exactly are these email validation forms? Let's break it down. An email validation form operates in the background, verifying email addresses for validity. If formatted correctly, emails move smoothly into your system, enhancing your email list. Invalid entries trigger immediate error messages, preventing clutter from invading your database. Are you ready to discover how to effectively validate email addresses on your site? You can use code with regular expressions, or opt for more sophisticated API solutions. Using JavaScript, you can set up basic validation checks for formatting errors. However, typing mistakes can easily slip through simpler validation methods, leading to headaches. This approach won't catch outdated addresses, spam traps, or disposable emails lurking around. Opt for validation via API for real-time checks and higher accuracy in your email lists. Bouncer's API does just that, validating emails almost instantly during user submission. Imagine each email address getting checked the moment it's entered on your site. Bouncer's validation secures your list, ensuring only valid addresses are captured. Although the API solution comes with a cost, the ROI far outweighs the investment. Spam prevention is crucial. Validation forms stop junk emails before they hinder your progress. A sound sender reputation rides on sending emails only to real, active addresses. With fewer bounces, your engagement improves, translating into better marketing outcomes. Why waste money on bloated email lists? Fake addresses add no value, only cost. Keep your analytics clean by targeting only valid addresses for your campaigns. Providing feedback keeps users engaged, correcting mistakes before they submit. Validation also ensures compliance with regulations like the GDPR, keeping your data accurate. Utilizing Bouncer Shield adds an extra layer of protection against fake and spammy entries. This real-time verification tool corrects common typos, stopping errors before they affect your list. Bouncer delivers powerful fraud detection, safeguarding your business from malicious signups. Setting up validation can be seamless. Ready-made WordPress plugins make it easy. WP Forms, Gravity Forms, and Ninja Forms offer effective validation features for your needs. With Bouncer's API, it's time to transform your email validation game and elevate your campaigns.